this is national level mouth organ exports meet. This is taking place in the first time in Goa. Mostly, most of the states of this country, these people are conducting such a meet of all expert mouth organs. YouTube famous. You must be knowing YouTube. So they are all mostly YouTubers. And our meet will bring at least 50 to 75 players from all over India. And they are experts in their mouth organ field. And this is the purpose of this meet is to promote this tiny instrument, mouth organ, which is these days will hardly see anybody playing or anybody making proficiency on this instrument. So we are promoting this instrument. This is very tiny and very portable and very, although it is small but very pleasant sounding instrument. And normally it is thought that only film songs are played on this, but not only film songs, some semi-classical song also one can play on this proficiently. Mostly Orissa, Karnataka, then this Hyderabad, even Jammu, Kashmir and South side, most of the states, the people, these artists will be coming to Goa. And they will be accommodated in our hotel, Swasin Mapsa. 3 days they will be given accommodation in from 6, 7 and 8. Our program will be staged on 7th, 4 o'clock in the evening it will start and will end by 9 or 10.
A team of Goa players, maybe around 15 to 20 players, that we are slowly imparting some tuitions to them. We are trying to bring up these new players from our own soil of Goa.
Basically, it will be a concept or something, music playing.
It is just a get together, brotherly get together, and just to promote this instrument in Goa. It is not a competition.
And mainly it is in collaboration with the Kala Akademi of Goa, because they have accorded hall free of charge, an open theatre.
Here I thank also the Ravindra Bhavan unit of Madgaon for allowing me to take a camp and a workshop over 3 days workshop at Ravindra Bhavan premises itself.